Hello, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this lesson we will learn how to implement custom pagination, which comes in handy when we work with editable grid, okay? And in the next lesson I'll show you guys how you can actually use it with your editable grid. Cool? So without wasting further more time, let's get right into the video. Okay, so we want something like this. So this one is nothing but a start index, and the difference of start index in this number is nothing but is gonna be a batch size. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So I'm gonna take local variables for that first, local variables, and I'll name it as local start index. Okay, I'll initialize it with 1, and second is gonna be my local batch size. Cool, so that is gonna be 2. Cool, and your variables, local variables name should always be meaningful. Okay, next what I'm gonna do, I will make use of rich text display field, a bang rich text display field. In value parameter I'll use a bang rich text item. Okay, text is gonna be this operator. Okay, and I have to make it clickable. Okay, if I click this, okay, my start index should get reduced by, if batch size is 5, then it should get reduced by 5. Okay, and the same goes for this as well. Cool, so I have to make it clickable using a bang dynamic link, and save into parameter. Okay, I'm gonna decrease the start index. Okay, when I click on this, it should decrease the start index by 5. If my batch size is 5, then it is gonna decrease by 5. If my batch size is 2, it is gonna decrease by 2. A bang save. Target is gonna be my local start index, and in value local start index minus local batch size. Cool, so this is done. Okay, now we want start index, right? This one is nothing but a start index, so I'll just use concat local start index. Okay, then we need that dash. Okay, dash, and then here 5 is nothing but the addition of start index and batch size. Okay, local start index plus local batch size, local batch size. Okay, this is done, and then we want this operator, okay, this one. So we will be displaying that operator using a bang rich text item, text is gonna be this, and same goes with this as well. I have to make it clickable, and on click of this number should get increased. Okay, it should get increased by 5. If the batch size is 5, then by 5. If the batch size is 2, then by 2. Okay, so I will be making it clickable using a bang dynamic link, and save into parameter. I'll use a bang save, and my target is gonna be my local start index. Okay, and I have to increase it, right? So local start index plus local batch size. Cool, this is also done. Let's see how it behaves. If I click this, it's getting increased, right? And the difference is 2 because the batch size is 2 here. So you can see the difference of these two numbers, right? If I click this again, it is getting increased by 2, right? But I don't want this operator to be visible once it exceeds the length. Okay, once my start index, this number exceeds the length. Okay, let me take another local variable for that, local length. Okay, and let's say my length is, I can name it as total count. Total count. Let's say my total count is 10 or maybe 9. Okay, so I don't want this to be visible when it exceeds local total count. Okay, show when. I can hide it using show when local start index plus local batch size, because this number is nothing but the addition of local start index and batch size here, right? So when this exceeds, when this is greater than local total count, which is 9. Okay, so if I test this again, it doesn't seem to be working, something is going wrong. Okay, show when local start index plus batch size. So what is local start index? Is 1 2 1 2 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is greater than local total count, which is 9. False, right? So it should not show. That means it should not show that show this operator, right? So it should be the other way around. It should be less than. See, I can see now. If I click this again, okay, local start index is 5. If I click this, if I change it to 11, okay, and test this again, 3, or maybe let me change it to 10. Okay, 5 to 7, then 7 to 9, then 9 to 11. Now it's hidden because the total count is 10 and it has exceeded. See, 9 plus 2 gives 11 and total count is 10, right? I think it hasn't refreshed yet. I need to refresh it. Okay, so the total count is 10. If I show you guys again the same thing, see, 9 plus 2 11, and that's the reason why the operator is hidden now. Okay, and if the same condition applies to this as well, when the start index is 1, it should not show this. Okay, because I cannot go in negatives, right? Start index can't go in negatives, right? So I need to use a show when condition over here as well. Show when local start index, it should only show this operator when local start index is greater than 1. Okay, let me test this. Yeah, it's hidden, right? If I click this, it should be visible. Yeah, it's visible. If I click this, it's hidden, right? If I click this and click again, I'll keep clicking until it exceeds total count. So it has exceeded total count. Now it's not visible, greater than equals to operator, right? If I click this again, it should be visible. Yeah, but I feel something is wrong here, because I can see here 9, and if I click this, I can again see 9. It should be 10 instead, right? It shouldn't be 9. I think let me just increase the size to 5 and the count to 20. Okay, and if I test this, it's 1 to 6. So 1 is this local start index and the 6 is the addition of these two. It should be 5, right? If I subtract -1 from here, it should work now. Yeah, it's 5. Next batch should be 6 to 10. Yes, 6 to 10. After that 11 to 15. Yeah, it's working now. That's the expected output. Cool, that's it for the day. If you want more such videos, please like my video, share it as much as you can, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, cheers, bye bye.